Here's a simple guide on how to use the crop tool as well as where to find it. And this is using the InShot editor app on Android devices. So very simple tutorial that I actually never did. Here's what you're going to do. So first things first, if you are working with multiple video clips, you'll want to, of course, select that clip that you want to do the crop for, okay? And then now to find it, you'll go ahead and look for the crop tool, which is on its own, all right? Now, once you select that tool here, you can see the different presets. So these are just preset cut ways to crop your videos, okay? So you can just go about using them. Now, if you want something flexible, something that you can work on your own, you'll wanna keep it on the free, this section here, then you can use the tabs on every corner and make the adjustments for yourself, okay? Then once you're done with all these changes here, let's just say you do it like this here, you'll press the check mark and it's gonna apply to that one video clip that you're working with. Then you'll continue down the timeline and make changes to the others if necessary. All right, now if you did make a mistake, as always, you can use the undo option here to undo any errors, all right? And that's that, like and sub.